Welcome to Paper Cup Travel. Today our stop on the road is in Suite 110 of the Comfort Suites in Wytheville. Key to entry. And this room, again, we've already stayed, we're on our way out. Unbelievable. Look at how high those ceilings are. There's a pull-out couch. We have our coffee. The lighting seems a little bit dim in here, but when you turn all the floor lamps on, it's okay. These are the footstools that normally go over here when this is folded up. And you got lots of power outlets, lots of storage, desk if you're here for a conference, TV, microwave, fridge, closet is all the way back here with your iron. And over here, you got your alarm clock and some more plugs. So you will need USB adapters. And just to do a quick look at what you're getting for your amenities in the washroom. For some reason they have the body lotion out here. Obviously your hair dryer. Toilet. Shower. And some shampoo and conditioner. So thank you for watching this quick room tour of Suite 110 at the Comfort Suites in Wytheville. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.